Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the last question of the paragraph, which consists of 3 questions 16, 17, 18, and we are going to solve the last part of the paragraph question, that is question number 18. Student, the question says which one of the following options correctly represents a thermodynamic process that is used as a correction in the determination of speed of sound in an ideal gas. If we look back to the Newton's formula for speed of sound in air, and then this correction is made by Laplace, better known as Laplace correction for speed of sound in air. This Laplace correction points to the process, that is thermodynamic process, which is adiabatic in nature. So according to Laplace, the process is adiabatic, and according to Newton it was isothermal, and that was rejected and this was accepted. So the process is adiabatic. That means we have to think of the adiabatic process and work done during the adiabatic process. If I see the option number 1, the option 1 talks about 1, 2 and Q, that is 1, 2 and Q. If I think of the 1, 2 and Q, 1 is from column 1 and 2 from column 2 and Q from column 3. 1 is, as you can see, the column 1 is work done during adiabatic process. This is the work done during adiabatic process. So it talks about this 1 is work done from 1 to 2, that is P2V2 minus P1V1 divided by gamma minus 1. The second one talks about the 1, 2 is isobaric process, and Q is this one. This is adiabatic process, because you can see that out of these two, this is more steeper, so it is adiabatic process and this is isothermal process. So that means what? This is adiabatic, okay, this is adiabatic, okay, but this process is not adiabatic, it is isobaric soon. So this option is not right. Let us move to the second option, that is option number 2. The option number 2 talks about the option number 2 talks about 4, 2, R, 4, 2 and R. 4 from column 1, that is work done in isothermal process. As you can see, this is isothermal process work done, so this option cannot be right, but still I will just writing it. Work done 1 to 2 is isothermal process. Second one is isochoric, and R1 is this is isothermal. These two are matching, this is not matching, and this process is not adiabatic, because we are interested in adiabatic process. So the option number 2 is also wrong. This option number 2 is also wrong. So this is wrong. Option number 3 Let us think about that. 3, 4 R. 3, 4 and R. 3 is what? 3 is work done is 0. Work done is 0. So it is a case of constant volume process. That is isochoric process. This is isochoric. Fourth one is adiabatic, and R is isothermal. So it is not matching. Only this one is okay, but these two are not matching. So this option is also wrong. This option is also wrong. So 3 are wrong. The fourth must be right. So we don't have to check that. Otherwise, you can also check for the fourth option. Let us see what is the fourth option. It says I4Q. Option number 4 is I, 4 and Q. What is I? I is this one work done during adiabatic process, that is 1 to 2 P2 E2 minus P1 V1 divided by gamma minus 1. This is the work done on the gas during adiabatic process. The fourth one is you can see from second column, fourth one is adiabatic process. This is adiabatic, and this is the PV diagram. This represents the PV diagram, and that R and Q is this one. This is adiabatic process. So basically the graph is like this. This one, it talks about this one, 1 to 2, and this is isothermal adiabatic expansion from volume B1 to volume B2. This is adiabatic process, volume B1 to B2. So this is the volume during the adiabatic process. So this is correct. So speed of sound is represented that when sound travels, then the process is adiabatic, and this PV diagram correctly represents the adiabatic process expansion, and this is the volume during adiabatic process. So this option is correct. Okay, thank you.